Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm going to be making Kashiwa Mochi. Kashiwa Mochi literally means oak mochi, which is eaten on the Children's Day on the 5th of May. Oak represents descendants' prosperity because its old leaves are not going to fall until the young leaves grow. Before the Children's Day, we raise Koinobori, which is for future success, and display Kabuto, a traditional military helmet of middle age, to be a strong and active person. Let's get started. Put your flour and glutinous rice flour and sugar into a bowl and mix to combine. Add water in 2 times and mix to moisten thoroughly. Cover with plastic wrap and microwave it 1 minute on 800 watt. Take out and mix with a moistened spatula to even the cooked part and uncooked part. Cover and microwave it again 1 minute on 800 watt. While cooking the mochi, divide the red bean paste into 8. Roll them into a ping pong ball. Traditionally, we use Koshi-an, the skin removed, but you can use tsubu-an, the skin on, instead. Set aside. Take out the dough onto your working surface. Knead until it becomes a bouncy and even dough. Be careful not to burn yourself. Always cool your hand with water beside you. The dough looks cooked, but it doesn't cook through yet. In many recipes, the dough cooked through before shaping, but I don't want that. That's because the dough is really sticky if it's cooked and very difficult to work with. In my method, the dough is relatively easy to work with and less annoying. Take one dough and roll the dough by your hand into an oval. Place your red bean paste on one side and fold. Pinch to seal. Alternatively, you can roll it out with a rolling pin. Moisten the pin to prevent from sticking. Place the mochi on a parchment-lined steamer. Steam on high for 5 to 6 minutes to cook through. And let's take a look at the mochi. And there you have it. It looks shiny and it's bouncy. It's well done. Let them cool to the touch, then wrap it in an oak leaf. Oak leaf should be moistened and rain side out. And it's done. Oak leaf has a unique and pleasant fragrance, and it makes the mochi special. And the leaf has an antibacterial effect, so the mochi is left for the next day. Traditionally, the Kashiwa Mochi is made of regular rice flour only. It tastes okay, but a little bit too chewy and bouncy for me. I like it to be a little bit elastic and soft. So I add glutinous rice flour and sugar to keep the soft texture. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. If you have any questions and future video requests, let me know in the comment section below. Please visit my website for more information and follow me on my social media for daily update. And the store on Amazon is open 24/7, so you can check the ingredients and tools. The link is in the description box below. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!